Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we go on to reading now.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Um. Okay.
The school library.
Okay. Read this.
Our school has a library. We go to the library once a week. Our class teacher takes us there. She chooses books for us to read. There are many storybooks in the library. These books have a lovely picture in them. Some books have pop-up pictures in them.
Okay. What are they talking about here?
Here they are talking about a library where a student goes to the library
Okay.
and where the teacher selects the books for them.
Okay. How often does he go to the library?
He goes weekly once.
Weekly once. How did you know that?
We read the story just few
Where?
minutes before now.
Yeah. So where does it mention in
In
the
the first line it mentions we go to once a week.
once a week? Okay. Okay. Who takes the children there to the library?
The teacher.
Why
takes
do you
them.
think a teacher is required there in the library?
So that the teacher knows the potential of the student, saying like what he can do, what he should pick.
Okay.
So that's why the teacher chooses the book for the children.
Okay. So the teacher knows what the
Child requires.
why the child cannot know by himself.
Like the teacher will know better because she is the one who is training the kid. So she will know the plus and the minus of a child.
So it's the teacher who chooses
Selects the
the
book
books.
for the young one.
How many story books are there?
There are many storybooks lying in the library.
Many means, what does many means?
There's no particular number for it. So
Okay.
it doesn't denote a particular number.
Okay. So what else, when the teachers have chosen, what kind of books has she chosen for them?
She has selected books which have pictures in them,
Okay.
where there's pop-ups in it.
Okay. What do you mean by pop-up pictures?
Where, like example, there when you read a storybook, you have certain pictures in the book as such.
How
So
does that help?
here you can actually visualize the entire story. So it gets you like a person, like for example in this book also, like it actually shows where the student is reaching up to the to the shelf.
Okay.
So it actually denotes it. You can relate the story with the actually picture in it.
Okay.
So that's it, yeah.
Okay. Do you like pictures in your books?
Definitely, I like it. Makes reading more interesting.
Makes more interesting. Okay. Okay. Continue reading.
We have to be silent in the library.
Why do we need to be silent in the library?
Because those are the rules. When you enter the library, they say you have to be silent so that it doesn't disturb the others who are reading. Because people come with various objectives. One just to while away time to pick a book and read. Some people actually need data for their work as such. So it should not hinder anyone. So that's why they say it should be silent. We should be silent there.
Where else do you think that you need to be silent?
In hospitals, you have to be silent.
Very good. Good thinking.
Then even in places where there are old people, old age home, so that
Okay.
it doesn't disturb them.
Disturb them. Yes. Good. Good thinking. Okay. Continue.
We are not allowed to talk in the library.
Why are we not allowed to talk in the library?
So that it creates sound. So it'll be a nuisance for the rest of the people who are reading.
Okay. So all of them are doing what there?
That the actual purpose of going to a library to read.
Okay.
So to develop your knowledge.
Okay. It's only developing a knowledge, or you go
You also get data there.
Okay.
Collect data.
data, and also
To while away time, people who have extra time, who
okay.
have less work, they tend to pick books and read.
Okay. Okay. We
We-
continue.
We must handle the books carefully.
Why do you think we need to handle our books carefully?
We have to handle our books carefully because like it is not your own book. If it's your own book also, you tend to keep it safe so that you can read it in the future.
Okay.
But if it's in a library, because You are not the only one who is possessing the book.
Okay.
You have various people who are coming and visiting the library. So
Okay.
each one has to read it and enjoy the beauty of the story.
No.
If you don't keep it intact, people cannot enjoy the story because the flow will get affected. If you don't handle it properly, the pages might tear, so the flow gets affected.
Okay. Continue.
If we do
Not.
If we do not
Then the.
if we do not,
Then
the pages will tear. We must not write on the library books, or the teacher asks us to tell us about the book which we have read, and we come back to the classroom.
Yeah.
Here we tell her about the story which is there in the book which we read.
Okay. So what did you do ultimately? What the teacher wanted you to do?
Yeah, she just wants you to read and gain knowledge. That's what the teacher wants the student to do.
Okay. And what I want you to do for homework is read another passage like this.
Yeah.
And come back and give me a gist of what you read. Okay?
Yeah.
And if you have any problem with your vocabulary, where can you look for when the teacher is not there?
Dictionary.
Very good. Okay? And thank you, Ajay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah.